Have you ever stopped to ponder why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly, while others struggle financially no matter how hard they work? This conundrum can often be traced back to one's money mindset. Simply put, our money mindset is a set of beliefs and attitudes about finances that profoundly influence our behavior and decisions. Two predominant mindsets exist: scarcity and abundance. A scarcity mindset perceives money as a limited resource, often leading to fear and anxiety. Conversely, an abundance mindset views money as plentiful and accessible, driving optimism and opportunity. Our upbringing, personal experiences, and deeply ingrained beliefs all play a crucial role in shaping our money mindset. Whether we've witnessed the struggles of our parents, experienced personal financial hardship, or been taught that money is the root of all evil, these experiences color our relationship with money. Just as our personalities and habits are shaped by our experiences, so is our relationship with money. Understanding this is the first step towards mastering your money mindset. Why do we make the financial decisions we do? Is it logic or something deeper? Dive deeper into the ocean of finance, and you'll discover a world teeming with psychological influences. These unseen currents can shape our financial decisions, often in ways we're not even aware of. Emotions, cognitive biases, and mental accounting all play pivotal roles in shaping our spending and saving habits. Let's take emotions, for instance. Ever felt a rush of excitement after purchasing something new? That's called the pleasure principle, the driving force behind our impulse buys. We're wired to seek instant gratification, which can sometimes lead us to make financial decisions that feel good in the moment, but may not be in our best long-term interests. Then there's cognitive biases, those pesky mental shortcuts our brains use to make quick decisions. Ever bought something because it was on sale, even if you didn't really need it? That's the anchoring bias at work. We anchor our decisions to the first piece of information we see, like a discounted price, and it can sway our judgment. And let's not forget about mental accounting. This concept refers to how we mentally categorize our money. For example, we might treat a tax refund as free money to splurge, even though it's just a return of our own hard-earned cash. This kind of thinking can lead us to spend money differently depending on where it comes from or what account we assign it to in our minds. These psychological influences can lead us down the path of irrational financial decisions. But by being aware of them, we can start to navigate these currents with more precision. We can question our emotional responses, challenge our cognitive biases, and reconsider our mental accounting tactics. So, next time you're about to make a financial decision, take a moment. Ask yourself, is this decision driven by logic, or is it being influenced by my emotions, biases, or mental accounting? Recognizing the psychological influences on our financial decisions can help us avoid costly mistakes and make smarter choices. So, we've uncovered some of the subconscious factors that affect our financial decisions. But how can we shift our money mindset to serve us better? To cultivate a positive money mindset, we must first understand the importance of setting financial goals. These goals give us a clear direction and purpose, acting as a compass that guides every financial decision we make. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, investing in a new business, or planning for retirement, having a concrete and achievable financial goal can significantly influence our attitude towards money. But it's not just about setting goals. It's about appreciating what we already have. Practicing gratitude can help us foster a healthier relationship with money. When we express gratitude for our current financial state, we shift our focus from lack to abundance, allowing us to view money as a tool for growth and prosperity, rather than a source of stress. And let's not forget the power of continuous learning. The world of personal finance can be vast and complex, but don't let that discourage you. By committing to lifelong learning, we empower ourselves with the knowledge and skills to make informed financial decisions. Moreover, it's essential to challenge our limiting beliefs about money. What stories have we been telling ourselves about our financial capabilities? By replacing these with empowering beliefs, we begin to see money as a resource that we can master and control. Remember, cultivating a positive money mindset is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process and watch as your financial reality transforms. You've taken the first step towards mastering your money mindset by watching this video. Now, it's time for some self-reflection. Think about how your perceptions of money influence your financial decisions. Are there any patterns you're noticing? Any beliefs you'd like to challenge? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to share them in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Wise Wallet Wisdom, and share this video with others who might benefit. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take that step today.